This is actually the first synthetic dye ever made, this Mauveine purple color. This also is very relevant in another sense that this was actually the first example that fundamental research led to tremendous commercial value. So one day, after finishing his experiments, Perkin was rinsing his glassware with some ethanol when he noticed that some purple solution had appeared. And instead of tossing it away, he tried to dye some cloth with it. It dyed purple. And then he found that this dye was actually light fast, which means that the dye stuck to the cloth and did not degrade with the exposure to sunlight. And so from that point on, he quit his academic career and he convinced his father to invest in him, and he opened a chemical company. So something like this, a dye like this, a purple color, used to require a lot of stinky and laborious work. So you would have to go and collect thousands and thousands of sea snails. You grind them, and from the glands you get a tiny bit of purple. And so this is part of the reason why purple used to be reserved only for the rich and the powerful people. Now, William Henry Perkin opened his chemical factory for producing these dyes. He also later found other ways to produce dyes that gave colors of reds, blues, greens, browns. And from there, a lot of other chemists and industries followed. And then from there on, the coal tar dye industry basically exploded throughout Europe.